Okay, this is just a small video. We've got this inspection light pen. Just show you here. It's got a light on the one end, got an LED light. And if you turn it around, as you can see here, it's got a pen. But as you can also see, the pen has run out of ink. So I'm going to be having a look at that today. And you can get refills off the internet. That's what they look like. And you can get 24 for £6.99 off Amazon. But I'm going to do an alternative where I just remove the top of the refill and then just get a disposable bic and pull it apart. You can see me just removing the refill. Just take the end off it. This is the dangerous part. I've managed to get a syringe, just pop that inside. Try not to stick my fingers. And then just, you can see me just extracting the ink from the disposable bic. And once that's done, it's just a matter of carefully filling the refill with ink. I'll take care here. I want to give myself ink poisoning, so I'll just pop it inside the refill there, and it's just a matter of squirting the ink inside. Once I've got rid of all this air first, just getting the air out. You can probably hear it, and it doesn't take much ink anyway. You can see the ink starting to squirt out, so I'll just work it out here. And then just pop the refill lid back on and just pop it back inside. And then just put the pen together. Just get rid of this A4 so I can show you. Now we have a working inspection pen once again. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.